processing unit. It's nothing but CPU. These are the contents we are going to see in this video. What is CPU in computer system? Common multi-core processor, component of CPU, and CPU processing speed, and finally functions of CPU in computer. So what is CPU? The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit and additionally called as microprocessor or microchip. Now the CPU or microprocessor is the essential and fundamental part of computer where all the arithmetic and logical calculations takes place. It interprets, translates and carries out the instruction for operating a computer as a device. In other words, the set of instructions or data are introduced to the PC system in form of raw data through input device of computer, and later this instruction are processed and prepared to get desired or wanted result. And common multi-core processor are dual-core processor. It's a processor which contains two separate cores of processor. And second one is triple-core processor. It contains three separate core of processor. And quad-core processor contains four separate cores of processor. The CPU is also considered as the brain of computer. Famous manufacturers of processor are Intel and AMD. These are the some components of CPU. The main fundamental components of CPU are ALU, it's arithmetic logic unit and control unit, and finally cache memory. ALU. It performs all the arithmetic and logic calculations provided to computer system that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and comparison greater than or less than like this. And second one is control unit. This unit controls and facilitates all the activities and operations performed in PC system. It gets programs from the main memory of computer system. It interprets or translates them and controls other unit to get desired result. And the final one is cache memory. It dwells between main memory and processor. The cache memory saves and holds the data or set of information which is about to process immediately by system. The cache memory is not available to user. They cannot delete, update, refresh the program inside the memory. The manufacturers or the computer programmers can erase or update the data which is stored inside the cache memory. And next is the CPU processor speed. The speed of microprocessor is the essential ingredient as a software technology. The processor speed can be defined and characterized as the speed at what it executes the instruction and direction. The speed of processor is measured in MHz. It's nothing but million of pulse of each second and gigahertz, billion of pulse for each second. The speed of mini and mainframe computer are measured in MIPS, it's million of instruction per second, and BIPS, it's billion of instruction per second. And functions of computer. There are four primary functions of processor. First one is fetch, decode, execute, and store. Fetch is nothing but every instruction and data is stored in memory with a specific address. The processor gets the address number from program counter. This is done for execution next instruction quickly. And decode. All the program and instruction are translated from assembly language or low level to binary language, which helps the computer system to deliver the output in human readable form or intelligent form. And execute. Processor recovers the instruction and data from memory and process them to get wanted output with the assistance of ALU. And store. After, after the procedure is finished in ALU, the output is put away in memory for additional processing. I hope you might understand what is CPU and some functions of CPU. Thank you.